We're based out of Media, Pennsylvania in Delaware County, outside the greater Philadelphia area. The services we provide are home inspections, commercial property inspections, mainly pre-purchase. So when people go to buy a home, they're doing their due diligence. That's when our guys will go in there and make sure they're not buying a money pit. We do all the other associated testing and inspections that go along with the real estate purchase, such as radon testing, mold testing, stucco testing, sewer lateral scoping, septic inspections, pretty much anything else they'd want to get when they're buying a property. I started in 2007. I used to work for a large commercial construction company, and I kind of got burnt out a little bit. I have a degree in engineering, so I was looking for something that I could transfer my skills to, and doing home inspections and climbing up on ladders seemed like a pretty good fit. Our mission is to offer building consultant services to the real estate community that provides both a successful transaction for agents and an honest assessment of property for the buyers. Everyone buys a home or a building at some point. Most people do. Most business owners own the building they're in, or they rent the building they're in, or they own a home. So we do home inspections for people. That's the bulk of what we do. And probably 10% of the work we do is commercial property inspections for other business owners. They want to make sure they're leveraging as much as they can as far as credits or getting the seller to fix anything. They really just want to know what they're buying before they get into a house. So anybody who owns a house or owns a building, that's a great referral for us. What makes us different is that we're actually a business. Most of our competition, it's still very fragmented. It's still very much a mom and pop business. People out there with a truck. We've got 12 people on our staff currently. We have company vehicles. Our guys have a uniform. If you can't get one of our inspectors in the busy season, you can probably get another one of our inspectors. And we're truly one-stop shop, which means, you don't have to call any other home inspection company to get all the services you need before you buy a house. So where a lot of our competition, they just do a home inspection, maybe they'll do a radon test for you. So we truly are a one-stop shop. When we do a home inspection for someone or a commercial property inspection, they typically get the report within 24 hours. Time is of the essence when they're doing a home inspection. They're under a tight window when they have an offer in to buy a house, typically 10 days. So they need that information. They need the home inspection scheduled as fast as possible, and they need the report as fast as possible so they can respond within that time frame. All of our inspectors are available by phone after the inspection. If they have questions about something that's in the report or the best way to handle something that we found during the home inspection, all our guys are available, and they actually call the people back to answer their questions. I'm Chris Early with Liberty Inspection Group. I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and good luck in the future.